Alright, yo, what's up guys? Merit Fishing Adventures here, and yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just at this huge lake right now. Alright, yeah, I guess let's just hop right into it, just do some fishing. Stay tuned, it's gonna be lit. Guys, I wish I would have recorded that, but holy crap. Look at this.
Just caught a huge ass fish.
Yeah, it's a decent sized fish. Look at that.
What the hell?
Look at that. But yeah, so this guy, he was going for my bait, and he literally got off. He like flopped down
I'm gonna go ahead and
into
take a
the
picture
rock.
for my cousin, and then I will get back to you.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at him. But we're gonna let this guy go.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna send this to you and then...
Let's go. That's how we do it. Alright, stay tuned. We're gonna get some more. Top one.
Hey.
It's big. Yeah. Oh my god. I keep on breaking it off. Look at this. His hook literally got stuck in his mouth. Right. I'm gonna release this guy. Not as big as the last one, but you know, I'll take it. Yup. Oh, got another. Wow. Let's go. Oh no. No.
Get it.
I got him.
There you go.
Jeez. We're slaying out here, dude.
You are.
Ah, third one of the day. Let's get it. Look at that guy. Yeah, long, healthy fish. Let's catch some more.
Alright. Yo guys, yeah.
Hey, get this.
He just caught a massive fish in the Hurley Tribe in Nature area.
And flip him. Hey.
Bae.
Pretty good one. Not bad, I'll take it. Get this hook out. Watch, barely hooked. Barely hooked.
Bro.
Dang. Yeah.
His gills are red. He's healthy.
Yeah, he is. These fish are so healthy. Jeez. I love this side, dude. Look at that. Nice little chunk. Look at the stomach on that guy.
Yo, nice one.
Nice.
And I just found this bait.
Yeah.
I just found that little...
Finding baits, but fourth one of the day in about an hour, 30 minutes, but let's let him go. Here you go, buddy. Nice little